The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Look on this carefully here. Me do a Spanish Town Hospital right now. You see me I say? Them say they can't find my mother name. We got the front decks, then can't find my mother name. You see me I say? We got the gate, then could find mother name, auntie go out there. You understand? Because they say one person at a time. So I give my auntie, which is our sister, a chance to go into the site, see her. They say they can't find my mother name, none at all. Or the hell have somebody admit in a hospital from Tuesday and today or Thursday, and you can't find their name. You understand me I say? I don't know me alone have a problem with Spanish Town Hospital. You see me I say? Christopher Tufton and need to adjust this and me I tell you the truth. You see me I say? Me I beg people to tag this and send it to him. Because I be a slackness, I go on a Spanish Town Hospital and I say anyhow, when the door take up this in hand, remember a whole of innocent people. You see me I say? We are good citizens to this country. I got dead. You see me I say? A hospital is somewhere where somebody supposed to can feel good.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Seriousskilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, I have more videos that I'm going to present to you. You know, in this video I'm presenting to you videos that shows persons saying some things, you know. And I just presented to you one video that shows a person who said some things that gave me the understanding that he's saying that his mother is at a Spanish Town Hospital that is within the parish of St. Catherine, that is within the country of Jamaica. And it would seem as if he's saying that employees at that hospital cannot find his mother's name. According to context, it would seem as if he's talking about they can't find his mother's name in the registration book, or maybe it's the filing or so on. You understand? But overall, still, viewers and subscribers, this person said some things in this video, and you know, I'm not saying that this person is lying, but you see, if everything the person said in this video, if it is true, it's really bad, you know, and something like this really need to take a look into. You understand? Yeah, so let me know what you think about that video, and I'm going to move on to another video right about now. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a person who said some things that gave me the understanding that he's trying to let persons on social media know what he's doing to survive in a country somewhere out there, but it is not Jamaica. You see me? This person went on to encourage persons to do some things to uplift themselves or to make money. You see me? That's the understanding that I get from the video. You know, you can let me know if I'm right or I'm wrong, but I'm just telling you the understanding that I get from some of the things that this person had said. You see me? And this person went on to say other things as well, viewers and subscribers. And you know, I'm going to present the video to you right about now. And before I present this video to you, viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Alright, good day everyone. It's up for my Jamaican brother and sister them. Cousin, uncle, auntie, everybody. See it? And this me I do in a forest. This me I do right now. This the part of my Instagram now. And part of my Facebook. And me now have no pride. So you see when you're not asking no one another for money, or the family member for money and things. And them are things you have to deal with. Them are some of them are things your family them are going with in a forest. So me are begging you, please, when you do some of them in a Jamaica. You feel me I say? We don't have no pride, brother. We are do this because we want better in our life. You have to do what you need to do in a Jamaica. Come out of your sykes and stop going like you're more than everybody else and smarter than nobody else. Come out of your sykes. You hear me telling you? And go and do some of this. Watch out. A people grass. A people grass. People will bust you now. See how COVID are going now. When you go farm up some place and do something within the family land, ask them about it. Do something for yourself. Please, me I beg you. You know, do something. When me can give you something, me give you something. When me can't give you nothing, me not give you nothing, brethren. I know me I go serious. Brothers and sisters who me give already, me not talk to uno. Me I talk overall, everybody. Because me a one. I told Unu no sit up. The amount we are beg me, Regin. Everybody. Truly see too like a pretty photo. Fuck photo, Regin. Unu dey a yard. Make use of yourself. Or go read one blood clot book. Go and go read in a book, Regin. When me dey a yard, and when me go home right now, I go read my French book, Regin. Or my Dutch book. You see me? Me I go get inclined because I don't want to do certain things in my life. Because I want to make it too. Brother and sister, families and friends. You no get up and go do something. Go and go do something. Please me I beg you now. You no go do it. Because that's the only key in life. When people see you do things, people are going to love you and give you things. And things are going to be easier for you now. So me I beg you now, please. Alright, sir. Me I beg you now, please. Go and go do something more in the life.
Yep. Viewers and subscribers, I agree with a lot of things that this person had said, you see? Yeah, persons should try and do things to uplift themselves or to make money. You see what I said to you? This person went on to talk about persons begging him and all these things, you know? I'm not going to get into that part, you know? The point is that persons should try and do something to uplift themselves and make themselves better. You understand? So, big up and respect to this person and let me know what you think about the things that this person has said in the video that I just presented to you, alright? Now, the next video that I'm about to present to you, you're going to hear a person talking in the background of this video. And you're going to see foods and other things as well in this video. And this person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person is saying that foods and some of the things shown in this video are said to be from the country of Jamaica. You see? And it seems as if this person is trying to send a positive message to persons within the country of Jamaica. You see me? Now, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can have a better understanding. You see me? And you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that this person has said in this video. Alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Watch ya. And a Brixton where they are died at this place, yeah? Everything from Jamaica. Yeah? Where does that come from, General?
Jamaica.
Jamaica. Yeah?
Jamaica.
See there? Where the bag were on St. James, pass the bag with St. James. This is St. James, this I come from. You see that?
I don't want to say.
Watch you again.
Coconut Road.
Coconut Road, St. James, yeah? We don't want the man them sit down and live off a gun at Jamaica and feel like say murder and them thing there. We don't mash up a country. We want the man them can go into the bush, plant, because we need food, we need bush. That is there, yeah? And trust me, the Minister of Agriculture need to link up. Watch a pumpkin, St. James, yeah? The Minister of Agriculture in Jamaica need to link up this man in England, yeah? And support the business, yeah? Because I tell you what the thing what this man doing, make every man in a bush eat food. Watch out, every type of tree, every type of bush. Any type of medicine you want, you come right here, sir. Right here, sir. Roots, right here, sir. Seasoning, yes, sir. Natural, cinnamon leaf. Anything you think of, you come right here, sir. See there? The right panny underneath the bridge in a Brixton. Yeah? Black Panther over there, sir. Yeah? Rest in peace. You know? So, black unity matter. All unity matter. Yeah. You have the Babylon Jeep down there, sir. You see it, a flick? So, all what gwana. Over here, sir. You have the Brixton Pop. Yeah? Yeah? Down there, sir. See the boss there? Jeep coming round. Yeah? Black Panther. Jamaica business, same way. Restaurant, Jamaica food.
Alright, so there have it, viewers and subscribers. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on, you know. I just presented videos to you to let you hear some things that persons had said. Yes, what I'm saying to you, and you know, let me know what you think about these videos. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Seriousskilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla.